Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arca Garage video. Today I'm gonna be adding a cruise control to my Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Now to do this I gotta remove the steering wheel and the airbag. Since I already did the video on that, I'm gonna speed it up here and I'm gonna put the link to detailed video down in the description below. Alright, so as I said, we gotta remove all of these plastics. Now this piece right here, you can just pull it out. Now to remove this main piece of plastic, we gotta remove some screws. So we got two of them right here in these holes, and we got two more right here. Now the trick here is you can see that the whole column is actually movable, so just pull it out as much as possible. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull these two pieces apart. I'm gonna pop this fake leather off, so you can just push it down. And there it is. And now I can just pull the top plastic off as well. Next, I'm gonna do this connector. So you can push this plastic piece in and pull this blue one to the right. Now to loosen this whole thing, you got one 5mm Allen, you can see it right there, and we got one more connector on the back. You don't have to undo it all the way. Now I will undo this connector as well. And you can see this black clip right there, so that actually needs to be pulled up, and now I can pull the whole thing out. Alright, now it's time to put this new one in and to put everything back together. So the process is going to be pretty much the reverse of what you just saw. Alright, now we still have to modify this piece of plastic so we can accommodate that third lever. Alright, now let's see if it fits. And this is gonna be pretty much perfect. Alright, now here comes the most crucial part. We gotta turn on this option using a multi-ECU scan software. So I got my car selected, body control module from the left side, and the proxy alignment procedure. I'm gonna hit connect. I've also connected that yellow adapter. Okay, so it says right here that the vehicle is properly configured. I'm gonna select the adjustments from the top menu, and there are essentially two things that we gotta do here. We got cruise control until 2009. That option is currently enabled, so we gotta disable that. I'm gonna hit execute, and I'm gonna select disabled from this menu. I'm gonna select Y. Then we got the cruise control from 2009. That option is currently disabled, so we gotta enable it. I'm gonna hit execute, and I'm gonna select enabled from this menu. I'm gonna hit OK and Y, and that's completed. I also gotta say that you always wanna make sure to read all of the available notes. It's gonna give you all of the instructions that you need to do, and it also says right here that the cruise control functionality is available on some instrument clusters and body computers only. But I'm gonna share with you my personal experience at the end of the video. Now for this whole thing to work, we gotta do proxy alignment procedure, so that's what we are gonna do next. Of course, make sure you read all of these notes. I've done this hundreds of times, so there isn't really a need for me to do that. I'm gonna hit Y, and one thing you gotta pay attention here is that writing to all these modules has to be successful. You can see the BCM, it says success. Now we got the dashboard node, and as I said, all of them have to be successful, so we got success here. We got the climate control node, we got success there. Then we got the airbag node. Now for this, you gotta make sure that none of the seat belts are plugged in, otherwise you're gonna have failed here. So that also says success, and our proxy alignment procedure is completed. So I'm gonna turn the key to the off position, and I'm gonna hit Y, and I gotta wait at least 10-15 seconds before I turn the key into the on position. So there is one way to check if this has worked before going out on the road. I'm gonna select engine control unit, and I'm gonna hit parameters. So we got a few options here in regard to cruise control, and I just want to see if the ECU is gonna recognize the new controls that we just installed. So I'm gonna select all of these. I'm gonna turn the cruise control on, and let's see if the value is gonna change here, and you can see that it changes. I'm gonna test out these other buttons, and you can see that everything works perfectly. Alright, now let's see how the cruise control works. So I'm gonna turn the knob to on, and we get the message on the dash and a little light as well. Now if I want to set the speed, I'm gonna push the lever either up or down. So I'm gonna press it up, and you can see even though my feet are off the pedals, the car is keeping the speed. If you want to increase the speed, push the lever up. If you want to decrease it, push the lever down. Now if you want to cancel the cruise control, all you gotta do is press the clutch or the brake pedal, and that is pretty much it. One more thing I gotta warn you about: as you saw in the multi-ECU scan, not all body control modules as well as clusters are compatible with the cruise control, so just keep that in mind before you decide to do this on your car. However, in my experience, most of them are. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it interesting and useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.